Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Hope you are doing well. My dear respected brothers and sisters, there is mentioned a very beautiful hadith in Sahih al-Bukhari. Hazrat Anas radiyallahu ta'ala anhu narrates this hadith that the Messenger of Allah Almighty said, La yu'minu ahadukum hatta yuhibba li akhihi ma yuhibbu li nafsihi. That none of you is a true believer until he likes for his brother what he likes for himself. Short and meaningful hadith. One of the best qualities of a believer, the Prophet of Almighty Allah is talking about, that he will always choose something for his brother what he choose for himself. He would always like something for his brother what he likes for himself. Especially when you are buying gift for your friend, for your brother, for your family member. Before you buy that gift, think first, do you like that gift or not? Because sometimes it happens that the gift you buying, you yourself don't like it. Right? But still you giving to your friends, still you are giving to your family member and to your, brothers. So this is not a sign of a true believer. Or, when you are sharing food with your neighbors or with your family member, before you share that food, first think, do you like that food or not? Because sometimes it happens that you cook something and you don't like it, or it's not tasting good. You say, let us share, with our friends or with our family member. So that is, not a quality of believer, my dear respected brothers and sisters. According to the hadith of Rasulullah sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wasallam, if you want to become a true believer, you have to like for your brother what you like for yourself. Like when you are going to buy something for yourself, it could be food, it could be shoes, it could be gift or anything. The kind of shoes you like, the kind of food you like, buy for your family, buy for your friend, buy for your brothers. This will make you perfect believer and true believer. We make dua Allah Almighty grant us tawfiq to become a perfect believer and a nice Muslim, nice believer according to the teachings of Islam and according to the hadith of Rasulullah sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wa sallam. May Allah bless each and every one of you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.